Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to create a Google account on Samsung M35 device. Well, having a Google account allows individuals to have a presence on various Google platforms, enabling them to communicate, collaborate, and share information with others. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open Please Settings app on your device. Okay, so here please scroll down and select Google menu. Well, after that, click Sign In option if you have not signed in before. And then, select Create Account and choose For My Personal Use. Well, after that, enter your first and last name. And then click Next. Okay, and here you can set your birth information. So, after finishing, you can click Next at the bottom. Okay, and here you choose your Gmail address, or you can create your own Gmail address. When finished, click Next. And after that, please create a strong password. Well, and then click Next. Okay, and then you can scroll down. So, click Yes, I'm in option. So, click Next. Well, next you can scroll down and click I agree and wait a moment. And then you can uncheck List for backup option to avoid losing internet data on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to create a Google account on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.